way to naturally decrease inflammation, increase antioxidants, deal with less cough and cold, get the mucus out, all of the things you need. Holy basil is what you're looking for. A lot of people do not know, but let me put you on, because I am a functional medicine practitioner. This is really great for helping to balance your nervous system, decrease stress. If you have high cortisol, if you're dealing with stressful situations, holy basil comes in and does that. But it also is really great with decreasing inflammation. The other thing I've been using this for recently, which is why my bottle is all gone and I'm getting more, is I was dealing with a little bit of cough and cold and I needed to thin that mucus and get it out. So if you're having issues with any of those things, you definitely want to check this out.